Hi there! Let's get you logged in to the Learning Ally Audiobook solution through the Clever portal. Visit your district's Clever portal and log in using your Clever username and password, a Clever badge, or as directed by your teacher. Contact your teacher if you need help understanding which way you should log in. In the Clever portal, find and select the Learning Ally tile.
You've got tons of stories waiting for you. Just tap Add Books or Browse to explore our library. You can quickly find what you're looking for by searching for an author, title, or keyword right up here. Or if you're just browsing, check out books by your grade level, subject, or a fun category. See a book that catches your eye? Tap its cover to learn more and read a quick summary. Want to start reading right away? Click Read Now, or if you want to save it for later, just click Read Later to add it to your bookshelf. Once your book opens, it starts playing automatically. You can make it perfect for you by clicking Settings. You can change things like the volume, how fast it reads, or you can even change how the text looks on your screen. Don't forget, you can take Learning Ally's audiobooks with you everywhere. Download the app on your laptop, phone, or tablet. If you're having trouble logging in, reach out to your teacher or guardian. Happy reading and have a great day of learning!